Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this smart screen for your car. So my car is so old that it doesn't have Apple CarPlay. This is a very easy way to get Apple CarPlay from a cheap Amazon product. So we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna install it into my car, and then we're gonna test the CarPlay functionality. Is it a nice screen to have? Let's check it out. So like I mentioned guys, I've got a pretty old car here that does not have CarPlay. So I'm always looking for a good budget way to get Apple CarPlay in my vehicle. And we'll see if this is going to do the trick. So we'll get a nice satisfying peel here. Now this does have instructions on it, so we will keep this together. Okay, so the screen itself here, we've got mounting bracket on the back, our ports right here. We have a Type-C, an aux port, and a spot for a memory card, and then our power button on the right side here. Okay, let's keep going through and see what we got. This is a little pry bar and our aux cord to run the little dash cam to the back of the vehicle. We're not going to be installing that today. We're going to mainly be focusing on the front unit, which is mounted via this right here onto the dash. You also have this option as well to mount this directly onto the dash, and this can be adjusted and then tightened down. This is also a sticky pad right here. So two mounting options, like to see that. Then we have our rear camera. Like I mentioned, we're not going to install this, but it is nice to have. If you don't have a rear dash cam, this is also going to have a rear dash cam. And then our main charger for the unit. We'll get this out here. So this is going to go into your cigarette lighter and plug in via USB-C into your screen. So we got a big old user manual right here. That's nice to see. It's going to be very detailed. So let's go ahead and install this bad boy and try it out. So like I mentioned, there's a couple different ways you can mount this. You can mount it with this little arm here. You could even have it like directly right here. But I think I'm going to go with this option, which you can mount right here. You can have it directly like that. So let's try that out. It's very easy to put the mount on. You just stick it into here and then push it up. You can mount it low or you can mount it high. I decided to mount it low so it's not sticking up as far in my dash right here. So let's go ahead and get it mounted up there and then plug it in. This mount here comes with a little sticky, so we need to get this sticker off of the back here, and then that will stick directly onto this mount. Perfect, doesn't have to be exact. And now we can go ahead and place this down. And then there's this adjuster on the back here, so you can angle this exactly how you want it. I like it right there. Perfect. Okay, we're getting into the setup now. And here's the home screen here. So we've got AirPlay, which is pretty sweet. We've got CarPlay. We've got music. Now I'm going to go ahead and Bluetooth into this and see what else I can do here. So I've got the CarPlay set up now, guys. Once you get it set up, every time you get in your vehicle, it's going to immediately go to your CarPlay. You can do maps. I'm not going to do that because it'll show my location, but you can go to the calendar. You can show your messages. And overall, this thing is actually extremely snappy. It's very fast, basically does exactly what you need it to do. Now, if you want to go back to the main menu here, go ahead and hit this button here and then the home, and you're back to the main thing. So next thing I want to test here is the AirPlay. Can I play YouTube videos on this screen? Obviously, you only want to do that while you're parked, but let's see how easy that is. And if that's nice and snappy too, then this is definitely going to be a good screen because it was easy to set up. It's fast, it's snappy. One thing I did test earlier too is that I can play audio out of my car while I'm using this as the screen. And another thing here that is kind of the downside is notice how tall this screen is. It blocks a good amount of your view. You could always try to mount it further down, but then you're kind of getting into your vents. But that would be my one downside here, is that it's a bit tall. But so far, very snappy and doing exactly what I wanted to do. Let's try the AirPlay. So we want to switch to AirPlay mode. And then you need to hook up to this network on your phone. I'm not gonna show it here, but I'm logging into my phone here. It's called AirPlay FF27A1. And then once you're logged onto that one, you want to pull down your screen and hit this button right here, and then there you go, immediately smart screen is loaded. So let me pull up a YouTube video here.
Well, guys, I just made
and there you go, just like that. We are playing a YouTube video from your phone, and you can just sit back if you're an Uber driver and watch that kind of while you're waiting for people to pick you up. Honestly, it's very, very easy to do. I was surprised at just how quick that actually worked. The quality of the screen is pretty good, and it's just mimicking my phone basically. So pretty awesome. Definitely easy to set up, and it's easy to mount. You just plug it right in. So we'll have links down for it down below, guys. Check it out.